All right, so Menina, what I got here today?
You have a car phone holder mount, universal 3-in-1 phone holder. You can use this in many ways on your car. You can place this on the dashboard, on the car air vent, or on the windshield as well. And if you have to work on your desk and you need to have your phone handy, you can absolutely place this on your desk.
So we got the instructions there and 2 different setups. Okay. So here we have, right? So this is the part you can stick this either, right? We can put this in your dashboard, windshield, and it's pretty simple. You set it up, right? You need to remove the protection, right? You set it up, you press this down, and it locks automatic there, right? And what allow you to do here, should be able to move this up and down, right? Set it up. And let's go and let's install the main unit. And that's going to be simple. Right, I'm going to set this here. We're going to press it down. There. I'm going to go this way. Then we're going to tie here. Right, and if you want it telescopic, if you want a little much, closer to you, you can do that. Now, set the degree whatever you want to set. Normally, for me, I think it will be more pointed. Right, we drove on the left side, so most likely you'll be pointed this more into the left side than into the right side. So kind of you point it there, then tie this here, so it stays there. Right, you don't need to move out. So now that stays there. Now this holds 44 pounds. One euro, lock it there and close this down. Now another thing you can do here, if whatever surface you try to put it in, and maybe for some reason doesn't want to stick in, you can use this also. They have the 3M sticker what allow you to put this out, or you can use it on a table or something. And now you can bring this here. And then you can do that as well too. All right, you can do that combination, but I will say with this it's perfect fine, but maybe there is time where you want to use this as well too. All right, so that's the way you're going to set it. And once again, it's telescopic. We can bring this down and simple to adjust your phone. So I'm going to press it down, a release. Let me grab my phone here. I have a Pixel phone, Pixel 2. All right, so go right there and lock it, and the phone is not going anywhere. As you see here, it's not going anywhere. I want to release the phone. I'm going to press it again. Take my phone out.